A homemade pizza. It doesn't take that long to make this. Takes what, 30 minutes? 30 minutes or less. Very easy to follow. Just make the dough, put the pasta sauce, and then shredded cheese. That's about it. And bake it in the oven. What you guys think of this? It looks good to me. We all made it. My husband, my son, and myself. Everybody was a critic. And it turned out to be a good pizza. Well, that's it.